Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phun shengi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei
kum kawai na kiken hun tremon sngewbha kabal jutip kum kasur Jingkyrmen society kabalayo ya ka jing itu napo ka sarkar jela kabala kersan langru da ka dream mission social welfare department jong ka sarkar jela bat kadairu ka kenhun kabala juyaram Bhoi kikun samla ban pensngotu halor ka phang ka baong MU drugs bat menta ka sngi nakaliang kinongilam jong ka sur Jingkyrmen society kila penlong da ka awareness program hapok ka Skul Nongpoh Nepali secondary school Nongpoh kabala pensngotu bahasa phang ka Jingsniew jong drugs bat ka kiat kabala kta baha hapok ka imlang salang bat bakin Leit ru naka jing chate shakhum hak jingdi kibasniu kinongilam jong ka sur Jingkyrmen society kala ong ba ka Skul Nongpoh Nepali secondary school kadika waina ki school kabala jit da kinongilam jong ka sur Jingkyrmen society ban pensotu yaki khna school shaphang ka jingma halor drugs bat ka kiat haka neka sulawan bane shimen talang nadu ka principal jong ka Skul Nongpoh Nepali secondary school Nongpoh ka kong arnyota lembar u general secretary ka sur Jingkyrmen society uba nil jaitli khongwer lembar kiwei
pain, back pain, joint pain, they start tears coming out, running nose, muscle aches and pains. So they go like crazy. They have to find that drug or that alcohol. So if they have no money, what they do? First they will start stealing from the house. Then they will, if there is nothing in the house to steal, or if they are being chased away by their family, they will start stealing from shops. You see those boys who go and pick up plastic bottle. Bilangnya, itu orang kita beli. Nah itu balik. Don't beli saya, don't beli don't beli. Their families are abandoned. You cannot blame family also because manogalam. You can. It's an expensive act, right? So we will be talking basically of those two only. Drugs and alcohol, which is heroin and alcohol. That is what is commonly used. I think everyone has heard about ganja. Because ganja, the effect is not as good as heroin, hard drugs. So when people want to do all these things and get high, they turn to the harder drugs. Right? Now, why are we doing this program? मैं अपना business खोलेगा, ये वो करेगा हाल. So, you know, when I was studying in Synod, I wish someone came and talked to me like how I'm talking to you. But nobody came. I am also from the background, I was using drugs and alcohol for 15 years. Now I am clean and sober for 13 years. Okay, by the grace of God. Purely by the grace of God. So you can change. There is a way to come.
Have an awareness program on the topic of drug reduction. Okay, and this program, I think you can see here in the banner, it is from Kasur Jingkyrmen Society Drug Reduction Awareness Program, sponsored and in collaboration with Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission Trip from the government of Nepali. And we are having the resource person with us here, Shri Nongpoh and Madam Journalist Shah. And this program is very important. The subject that our resource person, they will discuss now with you all, give you an awareness, and this is a very, very important topic. It is about the drug reduction. I will read some of the points mentioned here. Carefully listen here. This program aims to create awareness about the risks and consequences of drug abuse. Number 2, educate students about the importance of healthy lifestyle choices. And number 3, provide information about resources available for those struggling with addiction. And number 4, encourage students to make informed decisions and develop resilience against the peer pressure. As we all know nowadays, this is a very important subject because it is for the students, okay, it is for the youth, because some they are engaged in drugs abuse, and this is very wrong. You understand? So our resource person will make you very clear about this topic today, and I want that all the students will listen attentively, will pay attention, and if you have some queries, maybe you can ask them, they'll make you more clear about the Nepali. So we will start the program right now, and I'll hand over to the resource person. Thank you.
Rainbow of Sound Music Academy Badan Maubri Bhoi District baju pelong shis yin shis tayo halite Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri akhot kawer sngewbha ban a admission ye phi baro ki khnaren pat ki bala rong baru ki bakwa bunyo ejina jing tep shipang the music but theory but practical hakani music school phin sayo shibor ki jing kai paper kum ka keyboard guitar tonic solfa khasi traditional instruments Indian classical vocal drum but violin kani music school ki pelong ro street performance per ki music concert amal law snam kum kadak ban ailar ki khna ki bapulia kani music school Kini bynta kiran san ban peni kisap ki pong di bagidon pediang songpai pi baro ki bakloi ban pulie angani music school ban tep khambanya songha ban phone hagi number publish bun